Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 fan and lights staying on even after shutdown. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that open a search and type a power plan. Click on Edit Power Plan. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. After doing this step, select a PCI Express and expand it. After doing this step, select a Linked State Power Management and expand it. After doing this step, click on Off and click on Apply and OK button. After doing this step, close it. The second method is that in the search box, type a power plan. Click on Edit Power Plan. Click on Power Options. After doing this step, choose what the power button do. Click on Change setting that country unavailable and uncheck it. Turn on Fast Startup Recommendation. Click on Save Settings and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, first of all type a command is power CFG space -H space off and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit and exit the command prompt. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a command is sfc space /scan now and press enter. After doing this step, the process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete it. After completing that, type a command is dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a last method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After that, go to your save location. In my case, is in download section. So open it. Open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.